Let's start with your introduction, please.
Hi, I'm Anuya Nisal. I'm the founder and CEO of Serigen Mediproducts. We are an innovative startup that is developing products in orthopedics, breast cancer, and wound care using a patented technology based on natural silk proteins.
Right.
We are actually the world's first company to do a clinical trial and show that silk can be used in bone repair. And it
Great.
outperforms all the leading products in repair of fractures and defects in bone.
That's great. Since you said it was world's first, I see that there's a lot of potential to expand globally. What is your take on building from India for the world?
I think that's going to be how the future is going to look. That's what
Right.
we believe. This is a technology that was developed here in Pune, nurtured here in Pune. We feel India is a great place to do innovative technologies, do the clinical trials, understand new use cases and indications because we have a vast population that we can work with in
Right.
India. It's a
Right.
big market for us to evaluate. But of course, the technology is world's first and it's for a global market.
Right.
So we have patents protected in different geographies across the globe in US, Europe, India, Japan,
Okay,
and so on.
great.
So the company will launch the products. We start with India, but yes, we will eventually go to some of the other global geographies as well.
All right, great. Thank you